handbag, let's make it. Here we are going to recycle this old denim jeans. Cut it from the bottom and then fold both of them. Now we're going to make a semicircle on the top, make this cone shape. As you can see, we're going to also add a little brown frill design on the side. Stitch all of them like we're doing here in this video. Now fold it and then stitch it from the bottom as well. Keep folding it, your bag is ready. Let's add some handles. So we're going to stitch these two strips as well and it's done. Let's recycle this old t-shirt. As you can see, we're going to cut the top of it. We all need to upgrade our fashion sometimes, so we're going to cut two little thread and then we're going to open the shirt, fold it from the top and stitch it. Now put both the thread inside it. Look how we're doing here in this video. Now we're going to add some frills, tie it from both the side and look, your brand new t-shirt is. As you can see, we're going to make this beautiful waist bag at home. So take out your old fabric and start cutting it. As you can see, we are going to show you where you have to mark the line. Now stitch it and fold it into half. With help of scale, we're going to stitch it from the center. Now we're going to attach the strips as well and then stitch it from both the side. Now cover it properly, close it. You can also add button on the top and look, it is ready. As you can see, we're going to cut this old trouser from the bottom part. Cut it and then we're going to fold it from the top. Take out the cut portion of the sleeves and then spread it like this. Cut it from the corners and then from the top as well. Fold it further, measure it properly and cut it from other side. Now stitch it from the corners. We are making a mini bag here. You can also add two little strips and look how pretty this mini bag is looking. You can also use the top as a capri. Here we are going to recycle these old little scraps of fabrics. Press it properly and then we're going to attach all of them. You can roll it like this. After doing that, we're going to attach one after another. Each layer look like this and make a small sheet out of it. Now we're going to cut it from the corners, add handles and start stitching it. We're making a little bag. Look how pretty this is looking. Take out another fabric for the inner side and then we're going to attach all of them together further. Start stitching it from the corners, flip it like we're doing here in this video and cover it. You can also give it a nice look and look how pretty this is looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.